Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about organizing product information part numbering. So in this case, you have the need to set up different part numbers for different types of components. Let's say you want to put hardware components on a different catalog and you want to have a different part numbering schema for that type of components. Let's say, screws, fasteners. So in this case, you went beyond just using a single catalog and you want to go for multiple catalogs. So this decision, it could be uh, a good one if you want to and share the catalog with different people. For example, you might want to add the supplier to have access to this catalog, or this catalog has different properties to manage, or it has a different part numbering schema. In this case, I'm going to create a different one starting with 2 as a prefix and then a counter of 6 digits. So let's do that. Let's add that, and we should have that set up. Save options, and we have a uh, new hardware catalog selected. If you are on the company plan, you can also select that you don't want to have duplicate part numbers in your these two catalogs. So you can select that this option in data governance, where you can prevent duplicate part numbers in multiple catalogs. You can set that up. So the next step will be setting up your CAD data to send data to different catalogs. You can do this with categorization options. So the goal here is to send these fasteners or screws and all this toolbox data to a different catalog. So it might require some preparation to the CAD data if you don't have anything on the CAD data to separate these components from others. In this case, I do have an extra property called group to use to then identify this component to be sent to a different catalog. So to set up this, we can go into settings and then enable use categories. Select the criteria to use to categorize into different catalogs. So in this case, I'm going to use the property group. And if this property group has the value fasteners, this will go to the catalog hardware. Okay, that's the only criteria. You can define any different sort of criteria to go into different catalogs. We're also using, if it doesn't get into any sort of a categorization, to go to the default catalog. So in this case, I can remove this one and just have the fasteners to go to hardware. I can save that. And I can just start auto categorizing part numbers. So let's do that. So we have the new CAD data. I'm going to generate part numbers using the generate part number command. I'm going to recursive. I'm going to leave unselected parts that already have a part number. Some of them already have part numbers. I have a McMaster component that I want to auto categorize to the new catalog hardware. So let's click on generate part number, and this will be processed. So notice right now, if I refresh, the part number has the new catalog, and it's already assigned to the CAD file. So the CAD file was modified with the new counter of 2. So let's notice that the part number is added. And now I can save this data. This has modified that component, the McMaster component, with that extra part number property. So when I now create and update the bill of material, this is going to create that item on the catalog, and then we're going to send it directly to that catalog. So it's going to just generate a bill of material. Any new items will be created in the catalog, and let's then see the results. So notice that the BOM is generated, and then that McMaster component, it's now living in that catalog. So if you go into item info, you can see that that part number was created and it went to the hardware catalog. Other items are on the My Items catalog. So if you open the catalog from there, you have a shortcut. Notice that now I have the McMaster component. So this is another advanced way to categorize into different catalogs in cases where you want to separate your items into different catalogs, either by part numbering schema choices, or you want to share this catalog with different people, different suppliers, and you decided to create a different catalog for it. And you can do it using categorization. It's available in multiple CAD system integrations. Thank you. See you on the next video.